Right there.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Que venía aquí, yo la primera vez comiendo la quinata del
Bike lanes, and the beautiful estadio is right there. As you see, that's the very beautiful. See that? And cars pass here. So this side, I mean, here is for the bike lane, right here. Bike lanes, and here pedestrians. Yeah, Medellin, Colombia, man. It's very, very nice. You know, so
No me dejes la de llorando.
when you come to Medellin, at least come to this place, okay? Yeah, you'll see a lot of cute girls walking in this street, you know, like the ones you see right there. And also all corners, because here girls work out, so when they work out you'll find them everywhere, man. Yeah, and they look so beautiful. Okay, so this video is not about girls, it's just about exploring this area, but we can't negate that fact, you know. Like look what I'm saying. You see right there? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hey, she said hello to me. That's so beautiful, you know. So that friend of mine is also wondering. Yeah. So it's one of the best places I would recommend you to come. Just do a walk. It's in this Estadio area. So if you're here around Laureles, Estadio, yeah, come walk here. Come do a walk, you know, and you see how things will be like, you know. And you see the beautiful side of Medellin, Colombia. I know you guys like really good, you guys like real streets. But you know, sometimes real streets are not so good, you know. So ensure you follow also the good side of Medellin. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You see that? That's the stadium right there. And the big planes right here also. You know? Very beautiful. For sure I'll miss this city, man. Like, that's not something to debate about. Honestly, I think I'll miss this city a lot. But I hope to be back someday. Maybe in a bigger way, you know. Yeah, maybe I'll be coming for one of your weddings, guys, you know, as a filmmaker. And yeah, it's amazing, man. Just come here, relax, see people skate. Like here, a lot of skating is happening here. See here, right here, a lot of skating is happening here. Lots of skating. and bikes and stuff. It's really amazing. So Colombia has a lot of these facilities to keep its youth engaged, you know. As you can see here, we have more than 200 youth, you know. So that's a very good way of keeping the youth busy. So yeah, and you know these BMW bikes, like the ones you see right there, yeah, those ones right there. So actually, the best girl in the world, the best rider, she's from Medellin, Colombia. So, oh, how are you? Some guy knows me here. Yes, that guy called me, man. I can't remember him, you know, that's crazy. Sometimes, okay, sorry. Sometimes that's the problem of being a public figure. Somebody will call you from nowhere, like, whoa, Maro. Me, I'm like, whoa, who is that guy? Yeah, you know. So I'm crossing the road, I have to be very careful. Super careful, man. You know? So, Medellin, Colombia.
Ay, deja, perdón los regalos. Amigo, vaya al regalo, la materia del caballero. Amigo, regalo,
So that's the station of Estadio. Right there, as you see. Right. It says bienvenido al metro Estadio. Okay. Yeah, that's like really amazing. So I'm supposed to wait for a friend right here. Actually, not a friend, but Manuela. Because I stopped paying her taxis, so she has to use the metro. So yeah, let me wait for her. You know? So in this station of Estadio, you can see a lot of people walk here. Actually, if you wanna see like the real Colombia too, is in these metros because everybody uses them. Nearly everybody uses them, you know. Yeah. Ensure give the video a like, man. Subscribe to my channel. We're going to 100,000 subscribers strong. You know, busy estadio areas. You see bikes moving around and stuff. You know, people going to metro and other people coming down. You know, so yeah, this is Medellin, Colombia. You know, I'm waiting for Manuela to show up, but she's yet to show up. So yeah, I'm waiting for Manuela. She should be showing up from that side, but nobody's showing up here. Yeah, so I have to check my time and see what time is it. It's I don't know if you can see that. It's you know, my watch detects my face, so if I don't show my face, the watch does not work. So there's a guy, people here are on their own. Some guy over there has a radio, some guy has a dog, and there's some traffic right there. Yeah, this side we have the metro buses which will drop you here. Yeah, man, and should give the video a like, man. Subscribe.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
Oakland, Amino.